What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Mr. Brown 5714. Love everything. So I'm out here with my wheel, with my little KX 110 micro hella. I would have been recording on my GoPro, but no surprise that I'm having issue with the app. You know, I like GoPro, but just a lot. I always have issue with GoPro. I have no idea why. But it is what it is. So I'm recording now with my little Instant 360. I love this little camera. I wish it could record in 2.7K, which would be awesome. I would never even look at another GoPro. So, in fact, right now I'm selling my Hero 7 online right now. I like this little camera because I never have no issue, not one issue. So we're gonna try this little KX out here in the backyard. This is just a little bit of tiny baby. She's a little bitty baby. So the battery I got in here is an upgraded battery. So typically this would come with a 400 milliamp, but I have a 550 milliamp. So right down here, you have to like grind those little pieces out. But mine, I just took a heat gun and I just softened this plastic up just a little bit so it can just easy slide in. But other than that, it's fine. We've got a little breeze out here, so I don't know how she's gonna handle that. This little thing's just so much fun, man. I mean, the response of it is really good. Good response. It's just so cool. And like I said, we got a little breeze out here, so this is a good way to train and really learn. So when you go to the bigger helicopter, like a 250, 450, 500, 600, 700, this is perfect right here. Perfect starter helicopter. So like I said, we got a little breeze here. You can see how like the tail's kind of like fighting it a little bit. But it's nice. I love it, man. Love it. It's just fighting that wind, so it's not really good for wind. There you go, baby. There you go. There you go. There you go. Woo! See, that'd have been a big helicopter. I'd have been inside fixing something. Yep, been inside fixing. All right, what we got? A piece of grass. Yeah, it was a piece of grass. Hanging on that. But like I said, it's got a little wind out here, so that's the reason why I like dipped like it did. I mean, this is just fun, man. I mean, this is just fun. I mean, like really fun. Yeah. And now we got a real helicopter flying. Whoa, 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 whoa! All right, turn it off. Got too aggressive. And that's what happens. Got too aggressive. And whenever I crash, I always make sure I hit the hold button, and that just stops everything. Yep, got too aggressive. Let's see. Let's see what damage we done here. The canopy kind of like got like a little split there, but nothing a little scotch tape won't fix. Yeah, see a little crack right there. Nothing a little scotch tape won't fix. Let's see. Then, cause see by turning the hold off, what you're doing is you're shutting the motor down so it don't strip the gear. And now y'all saw that little hit there. So let's see what we're looking at here. All right, turn it back on. See what I'm saying? Durable, man. Like that was a nice little hit. Now that'd have been a big helicopter. The day would be over with. I'll be inside now, either putting some spare parts on, or looking, or in there repairing. That's why I love about this little thing. Oh, don't be trying to cut my hair, baby. Like I said, you get about 10 minutes flight time with this extra battery, extra size battery. I love it though, man. This is fun here. This is where it's at, man. Yeah, these little micros, man. This is where it's at, bro. This is where it's at, bro. This is where it's at. Now I haven't yet tried to fly 3D, but it will fly 3D though. Now I have an Eachine 160 inside. Yeah, the wind's picking up. I can feel it. When I want to tell how strong the wind is, I look at my bird houses that's up there, see how they are. I don't know if my Insta360 is recording this, but this is cool. All right, I'm gonna call it a day because this breeze is kicking now. Yep, this breeze is kicking, baby. Yep, this breeze is kicking, baby. Okay, let's see how we So, guys, y'all tell me what you're thinking, man. Like I said, the little K 110S is the best micro helicopter that I have flown. Like I said, I'm nowhere close to being able to fly 3D, but this is the best beginner helicopter to start with. The K110S. If you got a son or a daughter, you want to get them into this game, they will love it, man. They will love it. They would definitely appreciate this more than any other little RC toy that you can get them. Because RC helicopter really it tests your eye coordination, your understanding of you know flying around, a bunch of different stuff. But this is fun. All right, so if you like it, hey, give me a thumbs up, comment, you like, subscribe, whatever you like to do. I'm happy with it. Like I said, Mr. Brown 5714, love everything. Peace out. Have a great Wednesday. Bye.